to
Greenwood.
Greenwood.
That's where Black Wall Street was. Yeah, it's very cool down there.
Tulsa Massacre. There's a sign for it.
So this mural was painted to commemorate the big tragedy of the Tulsa Massacre. It destroyed Black Wall Street back in 1921. It just now became uncovered, and they're having actually legal action with some families after all these years. It was very well hidden. Quite a shame. It's really beautiful, and it's right on the edge of downtown. Thousands of people were victims of radical terror lynching. Oh my God, how horrible. Between 1877 and 1950. So this Greenwood Street was the Black Wall Street back in the day.
Okay.